Create a solid color layer. And pick a color for the vignette. Select the background layer and press Ctrl+J to duplicate it. Place the copy above the color fill layer. Blending mode, dissolve. Add a layer mask. Select the gradient tool. Make the foreground color white and the background color black. Select the foreground to background gradient. Radial gradient. Add your gradient to the layer mask. Move the color stops to adjust the vignette effect. And that's how you create this effect. Check the link in the description for more Photoshop tutorials.